Hey everybody, look at that view. Those are the Piton Mountains in St. Lucia. I'm Bill Murphy with Fair Mortgage. That's a view from our room as just finishing up vacation time. But I wanted to let you know that there's still time to close on a house or sell your house before the school year. A lot of people, we just closed the loan in 11 days. It was a turn down from another bank, and the folks needed it. It was a triple domino effect, 3 families involved, all simultaneous closings, and we were able to get it done in 11 days. The point is we're able to still get you in your home, whether it's a simultaneous close and you're selling or you're thinking about selling and it's not contingent, you want to buy something, get in before the school year. That's certainly possible. We could close the loan in a couple weeks. So give us a call. We're always around, available to write your pre-approvals. Just email the Bill Murphy team, and everyone still enjoy the rest of the summer. Thanks.